So today we will have a brief introduction about the nonlinear warp module of Model 3D, or we can call it large deformation in Model 3D. And we will talk about some of the behavior of nonlinear warp and also the solution of Model 3D, that how we can simulate the nonlinear warp in our user interface. Okay, so firstly, let's take a look at our outline. Oh, sorry if the our content is not clear or my voice not loud enough. You can always tell us. Yeah, so I separated today's topic into 4 parts. Firstly, we will introduce the linear and the nonlinear. What's the differences between these two kind of behavior, and the types of different nonlinear effects. And then we will talk about how Model 3D solver can solve this kind of nonlinear warp questions. And then I will introduce you an effect called imperfection, which can help us to trigger the nonlinear warp behavior in Model 3D solver. And then we will take a look at the user interface of Model 3D Studio, help us to set up the nonlinear warp analysis. And then we will have 3 simple cases, just give you an insight that how nonlinear and the linear warpage look differently in Model 3D, and how why the different could happen. Yeah, and last but not least, the conclusion. Yeah, so let's get started. Firstly, if we talked about the linear and the nonlinear behavior, what's the differences? We can easily take a look at the, let me switch to the lighter. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this picture. So this picture is the force to displacement plot. The F is the force, which is kind of like the loading that we put on our product. And the mu here is the displacement, which is kind of like the deformation of the part. Yeah. So if we take a look at red curve here,